Mr. Gu, this is the surveillance footage we retrieved from the crime scene.
Chloe, for him, you didn't just give up on us, but now you don't even care that your own mother was murdered.
Mr. Gu, don't worry, the suspect has already been detained by us.
Good. Preserve the evidence. I'm going to sue Dylan.
All right.
Ever since Chloe and I got married, my mother-in-law treated me even better than her own daughter. Mom, don't worry. I will definitely get justice for you.
The agreed time has passed. Why isn't Dylan here yet?
Chloe, I've been arrested by the police. I'm innocent. Chloe, save me quickly.
What? Dylan, calm down. I'm on my way. Dylan, what's going on?
Miss Shaw, this is the surveillance footage from the crime scene. Chloe, don't look. Ethan's mother was a total psycho.
Dylan, don't worry. Take your time. No matter what happens, I'll always be on your side.
This afternoon, when I went to your house to get your documents, and Ethan's mother saw me, she even tried to make a move on me. I was so scared that I accidentally killed her.
You scared me to death. I thought it was something serious.
But she's Ethan's mother after all. Will he?
Don't worry. Ethan is madly in love with me. For my sake, he won't raise hell over a little thing like this. Besides, you can claim it was self-defense.
Chloe, I'm scared.
Don't worry, Dylan. I'm an ace attorney. I'll definitely clear your name and keep you safe. I'm an ace attorney from Veritas Law. I'm here to bail out Dylan.
Mom, I will definitely sue Dylan and make sure the criminal gets the punishment. Weren't you detained? You're a murderer. How can you parade around shamelessly outside?
Why are you yelling? I bailed Dylan out. I heard about what happened to him. You don't need to sue Dylan. He didn't do it on purpose. We can't bring her back. My condolences.
What do you mean?
Drop the lawsuit. Dylan and I will go to pay our last respects to Mom. Let's just drop this. If you keep hounding us, don't blame me for divorcing you.
Chloe, you're really divorcing me for the man who murdered your own mother.
My own mother.
Chloe, do you know what he did? He committed murder. He killed your mother.
Ethan, your mom had a worthless life. If she's dead, she's dead. How dare you curse my mom?
Chloe, don't fight with Ethan. Because of me. This is my fault. I'll go surrender myself right now.
Dylan, you're innocent. If anyone has to leave, it won't be you. Besides, if your mom wasn't a psycho and hadn't sexually harassed Dylan, how could Dylan have had a stress response and done such a thing? Your mom brought this on herself.
What did you say? My mom? So, because it was your mother who died, you think it doesn't matter?
What else do you want Dylan to pay for? That bitch's life?
Chloe, have you forgotten that? When you wanted to establish your law firm, your mother went out of her way, finding connections and clients for you, introducing you to influential people. Now that you've become an ace attorney, it's all because your mother was helping you. And now you have the nerve to call her a bitch?
Ethan, becoming an ace attorney is all thanks to Chloe's outstanding ability. What does it have to do with your mom?
Stop talking nonsense. Sign it quickly, or we're getting a divorce.
Fine, let's get a divorce. You want me to drop the lawsuit? No. Mom's funeral is this afternoon. If you have any conscience left, come and say your last goodbyes.
Ethan, even if Chloe is a great earner, you can't spend all her money on the deceased. These wreaths and elegiac couplets cost a small fortune.
This is my mom's memorial service. What right does a murderer like you have to be here? Get out.
Dylan came to pay his last respects to Celine, despite everything. That shows his generosity. How dare you push him?
Chloe, it's nothing if I suffer a little. It's just, Ethan, you should quickly get a refund. These must cost several $1,000s. You can't be like your mom, calculating Chloe's money.
Dylan, are you okay? Dylan. The fish rots from the head down. Twisted and vicious people, like her, deserve to be stabbed to death.
You.
Be quiet. Can you show some respect for the deceased?
Get a refund. We're not holding this funeral anymore. You can do whatever you want with the body.
Chloe Shaw lost her father at a very young age. Her mother was both a mother and a father to her, raising her alone. Even if it meant only eating a bun every day, she still sent Chloe Shaw to tutoring. But what happened? Chloe Shaw didn't even give her a decent funeral.
Chloe, show respect for the dead. Otherwise, we should at least give the body a simple arrangement. When we passed by the entrance today, we saw a foul ditch. Why don't we just deal with it there? Ethan, what do you think?
He should be grateful for your kindness. What an ungrateful wretch. Go on, do it.
No, what are you doing?
Go. You've been living off Chloe's fortune for so long. Now it's my turn.
Mom. Mom, you would never have dreamed that the daughter you loved so much wouldn't even give you a decent funeral.
Dylan. Why does this face look so familiar? No, it must be my imagination.
Chloe, I didn't mean to bump into Ethan and hurt him. He won't be mad, will he?
What are you talking about? If he hadn't deliberately stood in front of you and pushed you away, you wouldn't have fallen. Ethan, apologize to Dylan.
You want me to apologize? Dylan just tried to deliberately harm Mom's body.
Dylan just lost his footing. He didn't mean to. It's just a corpse. Is there any need to be angry?
Well, you'll regret treating Mom like this.
Why would I regret anything? That's your mom, not mine. I'm here today for a pre-trial settlement conference with you. You're going to issue a letter of forgiveness for Dylan. Dylan is in the prime of his career right now. You can't ruin his life because of your mom's worthless life.
No.
Ethan, I'm not negotiating with you. I'm giving you a chance. As an ace attorney, even if we go to court, I still have ways to get Dylan acquitted and released.
In that case, let's get a divorce. I'll continue to sue Dylan. Tomorrow, I will give you the divorce agreement.
Ethan, yesterday, Chloe missed seeing your mother for the last time because she was celebrating with me. It's all my fault. I apologize to you. Chloe loves you so much. Don't say such angry things anymore. Otherwise, Chloe might really take you seriously.
Ethan, you are simply unreasonable. I'm telling you, not only will I not divorce you, but as your wife, I will also issue a letter of forgiveness for Dylan. What's more, I won't even give you the chance to appear in court. Ethan, you forced me to do this. Go.
Mom.
Ethan, Mom is dying. Chloe, her heart's in the right place. She just has a short temper. I'm begging you, please be more patient with her in the future.
Mom, I know everything. Please don't speak anymore. The surgery is about to start. Mom, wake up, Mom. Do you see, Mom? It was Chloe, who was treacherous and unjust first. I can't fulfill your dying wish. Chloe, since you're unwilling to divorce, then I'll see you in court.
Sir, your wife has refunded the payment. Here.
Find the best mortician to prepare my mother's body for viewing. Rebuild a memorial service. Money is not an issue.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. Ethan, this is the consequence of your stubbornness. If you insist on appearing in court, you'll never see your mother's body again.
Chloe, where did you hide Mom's body?
Oh, I'm sorry, Ethan. Chloe said that Miss Sue's body will only be returned once I've been acquitted. Here, this is the body double. Chloe and I went through a lot of trouble to get. Your Gu family relatives and friends can kneel to it all the same. You'll just have to make do with it for now.
You despicable thing.
Ethan, if you dare to lay another hand on me, believe it or not, I'll send you to jail.
The ones who should be in jail are you despicable couple. Desecration of a corpse is also illegal.
Have you forgotten? I'm a lawyer. No matter who goes to jail, I won't. You can't threaten me. You'd better think it through carefully. Do you insist on appearing in court, or do you want your mother's body back?
Chloe, have you considered the possibility that the body isn't my mother's, but your mother's? That's not my mother's body. It's yours.
My mother was honest and kind. How could she be so malicious that even someone as gentle as Dylan couldn't help but stab her to death? Even now, you're still speaking and cursing my mother. If that's how you want it, then I'll make you face the cold, hard truth. With just one word from me, your mother's body will be left for the maggots. Think clearly. Do you want to appear in court, or do you want your mother's body back?
Mom. Chloe, look for yourself. Isn't this the scar familiar? Your mother got this when protecting you from boiling water.
This is the birthmark on my mother.
Chloe, Ethan's mother, is such a copycat. It's bad enough she usually dresses like your mother, but now she even has to fake a birthmark with a scar.
My mother copying her clothes? It was clearly my mother who thought. Your mother had it tough, so every time she bought clothes or jewelry, she would buy a set for her too. Your mother was grateful to mine, and that's why she was always so good to me.
Hey, Chloe, didn't you say that the mark on your mother's arm was a birthmark?
Yes, the one on my mother is a birthmark.
That's really your mother. That wasn't a birthmark, but a burn scar your mother got, protecting you. Chloe, think carefully. How long has it been since you last saw your mother?
No, that's impossible. My mother was honest and decent. How could this be?
Call your mother now. See if anyone answers.
Chloe, did you forget? A while ago, you just bought Miss a plane ticket to travel abroad. She's on a plane at this hour, so it's normal she's not answering.
That's right. Ethan, my mom was so good to you. How could you curse her like this? My mom suffered her whole life and just started enjoying herself. How could she be dead?
Exactly. This dead person's birthmark is the same as your mother's. How utterly unlucky. Why don't we get rid of it?
Right now, I want you to get rid of the scars on the body.
Oh no, that's Mom's body. Don't do it. Chloe, are you crazy? Chloe, do you have any humanity left?
I've given you chances already. You just didn't know how to cherish them. Ethan, this is what happens when you cross me. Let's go.
Court is now in session. Case statement. The defendant, Dylan He, after a conflict with the victim over theft, stabbed her with a knife, leading to the death of victim Celine Su.
The victim's identity information must be wrong. How could it be my mother's name?
Chloe is actually helping her mother's killer. The victim's identity information is accurate. It is your mother, Celine Su.
What? The victim's identity information must be wrong. How could it be my mother's name?
The victim's identity information is accurate. It is your mother, Celine Su.
Excuse me.
Are you Miss Celine Su's family? Miss Celine Su's plane crashed. Please come to the police station.
What?
That's impossible. Your mother has already been killed by Dylan.
Enough. The police are calling me now. How long are you going to keep arguing?
That's right, Ethan. If you hadn't kept cursing Miss Su, how could anything have happened to her? Miss Su was so good to you. How could there be someone as malicious as you?
Ethan, if anything happens to my mother, I'll never forgive you. Your Honor, the police informed me that my mother's plane crashed. The victim cannot possibly be my mother. The plaintiff's identity information is incorrect. We request a continuance.
What? The body has been found. Good. I'm going now.
The information is correct. The victim is Celine Su.
Mom. Chloe, you'll definitely regret this. Mom was a respectable person in life. She surely wouldn't want anyone to see her like this. Let's just skip the funeral. I'm not having a funeral. Find the best burial plot for my mom and lay her to rest.
Where's my daughter?
Get out of the way. I'm Celine Su's daughter. Where is she?
All the personal effects found at the scene are here. Take a look.
Personal effects. My mother did good deeds all her life. How could she just die like this? Tell me properly. Where is my mom?
Chloe is an ace attorney. Be careful. She might sue you for dereliction of duty. I understand how you feel, but there are no survivors in a plane crash. How about this? What's your mother's name? I can help you find out where the body is.
Celine Su.
Chloe, don't worry. No matter what happens, I'll be with you. The system shows that Miss Celine Su did not board the plane. Didn't you know?
What?
Miss Celine Su was not on the plane. Didn't you know?
Not on the plane. How is that possible? Then why isn't she answering my calls? Could it be? Could Ethan really be telling the truth? I'm sorry. The subscriber you dialed is temporarily unavailable. Dylan. You killed my mother.
Chloe, I get it. It must be Ethan. To put me in jail, he deliberately hid Miss Su, on purpose.
He hid her.
Chloe. Don't blame Ethan. He must think that recently, the two of us have gotten a bit too close, and he wants to use this opportunity to get rid of me.
That's right. How could my mom be dead? Ethan must have done this to get my attention, taking her away and hiding her.
That's right. Ethan loves you so much. If you just humble yourself and admit your mistake, he'll definitely release Miss Sue.
You're right. Ethan, let's talk. You're back. Come and eat. I made all your favorites.
What did you do? Why do you smell so bad?
You think this smells bad? Mom's body. You threw her into such foul-smelling water.
Ethan, Chloe, she was just worried I'd go to jail. She was so frantic that she came up with this plan. If you want to blame someone, I'll kneel down and apologize to you.
This is between Ethan and me. It has nothing to do with you. Sit down and eat in peace. Ethan, Dylan just started working, and I've been helping him settle in at Veritas Law, looking after him at home. I neglected your feelings, and couldn't even see Mom one last time. It's my fault. I apologize to you.
Chloe, are you okay?
The person you should be apologizing to is your mom. Before she's even cold in her grave, you not only defend her killer, but also condone him defiling her body.
Ethan, haven't you had enough? You deliberately hid my mom to get my attention, and then you lied, claiming she was dead. Fine, you've achieved your goal. Just tell me where you hid her, and I won't divorce you, okay?
I hid Mom. What did you say? I hid Mom?
Ethan, we know everything. You're just jealous of Chloe and me, aren't you? So you lied, claiming I kidnapped Miss Sue. You want to drive a wedge between Chloe and me, right?
So, even now, you still think Mom isn't dead? You think I hid her, just to compete with that pretty boy?
Isn't that right? Hand Mom over immediately and write a letter of forgiveness. Otherwise, I'll sue you for unlawful detention with a criminal record. You can forget about ever being a lawyer again.
Fine. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. I'll be waiting for you.
That's great, Chloe. I knew it was Ethan who locked up Miss Sue.
666 Triumph Road. Isn't that the address for Greenwood Memorial Park?
Oh, I get it now. Ethan must be angry because of his mom's body, so he kidnapped Miss Sue as a hostage to force us to apologize to that old hag.
Dream on. Dylan, stop messing around.
Chloe, do you want to see Mom one last time?
You think you can threaten me? Dylan, stop messing around.
Chloe, do you want to see Mom one last time?
You dare threaten me? Apologize to your mom. Your mother deserved to die. Dylan has a sensitive stomach. We'll go after we eat.
Chloe.
Eat up.
Machem, thanks, Chloe.
Chloe, Mom's gone to work. Look after your brother at home. Make sure he doesn't kick off his blanket and smother himself. Okay, Mom. Ah, if it hadn't been for me back then, my brother would probably be Dylan's age now. Dylan, eat more.
Alright, thanks, Chloe.
Mom, I'm sorry. I couldn't get Chloe to come see you one last time. Mom, this is her. This gift she gave you before. From now on, consider it her, keeping you company underground. Mom, in your next life, don't ever encounter such an ungrateful wretch again.
Where's my mom?
Chloe, the name on the tombstone is Miss Sue. The name on the tombstone is Miss Sue. Don't just stand there. Grab him.
Ethan, are you out of your mind? My mom isn't dead yet. How could you put her name on a tombstone? Where is my mom? Where did you hide her?
Chloe, this is Greenwood Memorial Park. Where else would she be?
If you dare curse my mom again, I'll rip your mouth off. Mom, where are you?
Chloe, why don't you call your mom? Maybe you can find some direction.
Right, the phone. Mom.
The sound, it's coming from underground. Ethan, you wouldn't have.
Did you bury my mom alive? You tried to kill her. Ethan, how could you?
Stop it. Chloe, how long are you going to live in denial? Dylan killed your mom a long time ago. He stabbed her over 20 times. She died a painful death.
Chloe, look.
Mom. Mom.
Chloe, how long will you keep living in denial? Your mom has been dead for a long time. And now the murderer is digging up her grave, preventing her from resting in peace.
Shut up.
Ethan, you actually killed Miss Sue. Just wait. Chloe will send you to prison.
Dylan, do you really not know who the person you killed is?
Humph, with this, the entire law firm will be mine.
Mr. He. What are you holding?
Oh, Chloe forgot her documents. She asked me to come back and get them.
Why didn't you let Ethan get them? What is this, exactly?
Trying to ruin my plans? You'll have to see if you're even alive to do it. From now on, you are Ethan Gu's biological mother. Humph, whether she knows or not, does it matter? Does it matter if she knows? As long as she believes, I can get everything I want and take everything that is Chloe's.
You don't think that, by disguising the deceased as my mother, Chloe can protect you for the rest of your life, do you? She'll find out sooner or later.
Humph. So what if she finds out? By then, the body will have decomposed into bones. She won't have enough evidence to overturn the case. I'll still be fine. Do you know why I stabbed her over 20 times? It was to make the body so unrecognizable that she couldn't identify it.
So, your previous desecration of the body was intentional?
Miss Sue's body, after being soaked in the sewage pool, its decomposition accelerated until it was a rotten mess. That was as presentable as it was going to get. Not too stupid after all.
Beast, you're an animal. I'll kill you.
Dylan, stop wasting time with him. Hurry and help me get Mom out.
Coming, Miss Sue. Hold on, I'm getting you out now.
Mom, I'm useless. I can't even protect your body.
Mom.
Bring him here.
Mom.
Chloe, the body smells so bad. It can't be Miss Sue. It's probably Ethan's mother. Don't look, this is too morbid.
No, wait. This bracelet, I gave this to Mom for my 18th birthday. She promised me she'd always wear it. How could it be here? This was taken off by the deceased in her final moments and given to us to give to you. Please accept our condolences.
Mom, don't worry. I will definitely get justice for you.
Ethan, this bracelet is very significant to Miss Sue. How could you steal it to bury with your mother?
This bracelet is exquisitely designed. If forcibly removed, it would definitely be deformed, but it...
Chloe Shaw, open your eyes and look carefully. The person lying here, who was brutally murdered, who is it really?
On Mom's earlobe, there's an identical wound. It really is Mom. On her earlobe, how could there also be this wound? Mom, I'm sorry. It's all my fault. If you want to punish someone, punish me. I'm sorry. You are also Mom's daughter. How could I blame you? I shouldn't have kept both of you children at home. It's all my fault. This wound. It's real. This is impossible. My mom is honest and decent. How could she be so malicious that even Dylan, such a kind person, couldn't help but stab her to death?
Chloe Shaw, think carefully. How long has it been since you last saw your mom?
Case statement. The defendant, Dylan He, due to theft, after a conflict with the victim, Celine Sue, stabbed her with a knife, leading to the death of the victim, Celine Sue.
The daughter raised for over 20 years and can't even recognize her own mother's body. Mom must be very sad, right?
Dylan, this is my mom. You killed my mom. You killed my mom.
Chloe,
Dylan, I've been so good. You killed my mother. Give me back my mom.
Hey. Chloe Shaw. Come here.
No. Don't. Mom, you're not dead, are you? Mom. Ungrateful daughter, what are you doing here? Haven't you harmed your brother enough? And you're defending my killer. Acting as his lawyer, I don't have such an utterly depraved daughter as you. Get out. I never want to see you again. No, it's not like that. No. Mom.
Chloe. It's okay now.
You murderer. I will personally send you to prison.
Mr. E, the victim's DNA you provided does not belong to Ms. Su. Mr. E, the deceased's DNA you provided does not belong to Ms. Su.
What DNA?
Chloe, I really didn't kill anyone. The person in the coffin isn't Ms. Su. It's Stella.
A DNA test? What does this mean?
Chloe, I took a sample of hair from the body and took it to the hospital for DNA testing. The report shows that the deceased's DNA is different from Ms. Su's. The body isn't Ms. Su's.
But what about that wound?
Chloe, wounds can be forged. Even the bracelet. Ethan could have stolen it. Everything can be forged. Only this DNA report cannot.
So that means my mom isn't dead. Ethan has been lying to me about everything.
Ethan just loves you too much, and besides, the two of us lately have been getting a bit too close. He's very jealous, and wanted to use this opportunity to get rid of me. I don't blame him.
Ethan is a grown man, yet he plays games with life and death. Next time in court, I will definitely send him to prison, and make him reflect properly.
Chloe.
Does it hurt? It's all my fault. I shouldn't have distrusted you. Tell me, what compensation do you want?
Chloe, I didn't mean to kill anyone. I don't want to go to jail. I'm scared.
Don't worry, you have me, one of the top ace attorneys in the country. This wasn't murder, it was self-defense. With me here, I absolutely won't let you go to prison. Thank you, Chloe.
Chloe, once I use you to win this lawsuit, I'll get rid of you first. I'll take over your law firm and step on your corpse to reach the pinnacle of my life.
Mom, brother.
Doctor, how is she? Nothing serious. She just fainted from excessive grief. Rest well. She must not be stimulated again after waking up. Okay, my plan hasn't succeeded yet. I can't let Chloe discover the truth. Do something for me. After it's done, I'll give you $100,000.
Mom, because of your life-saving grace, I tolerated and doted on Chloe endlessly. But yet this is the outcome I got. Do you regret it?
Ethan, I don't mean to nag you, but you're the heir of the Gu family. After all, how can you not find a partner?
Mom, that also depends on fate.
Car. Watch out.
Mom, wake up. Mom, the car's about to explode. Wake up quickly. Damn it.
Young man, don't worry, I'll come save you right away.
Ma'am, please, take my mom and go. It's too late. You leave quickly.
No, leave quickly. I've already lost one son. I can't let your mother experience the same pain.
Ma'am, Mom. Hello, 911. A car accident occurred on Serpentine Drive. 2 people are unconscious. Come quickly for rescue. Mom. Ms. Su.
Mom, why were you so foolish? Mom.
I'm sorry.
Which one is Miss Sue? We'll do one last check. If there are no issues, she can be discharged.
Coming. Ethan. Come. Chloe quit her job to take care of Miss Sue. Miss Sue's family has had a tough time. Chloe likes you. In return for her mother's life-saving grace towards our family, you must treat her well from now on, understand?
Mom, if you hadn't risked your life to save my mother and me back then, I would have died long ago. That's why when you arranged for Chloe and me to marry back then, I didn't refuse, but... Mom, as long as she admits her mistake and sends Dylan to prison, I'm willing to divorce her amicably. That's the most I can do. Why are you here?
About Chloe. I've heard everything. I think there's something you should know.
Chloe is simply an idiot.
Ethan Gu, a lawyer from Veritas Law, is suspected of the false imprisonment of my mother, Celine Sue, and disguising his own mother's body as my mother, attempting to mislead the judge into a miscarriage of justice. Our firm has decided to terminate Ethan and file a lawsuit against him.
Chloe is simply an idiot. The evidence is right in front of her, yet she remains stubbornly misguided.
I wonder what kind of spell Dylan has cast on Chloe. Ever since Dylan joined the firm, who once swore up and down that Chloe would fight for the people's justice, has actually started making backroom deals.
What?
Based on the evidence provided by the plaintiff, it is insufficient to prove that the plaintiff was raped by our client.
Plaintiff's lawsuit dismissed.
Beast, he's an animal. He raped my daughter and filmed it to threaten her. The evidence is all here. Why isn't he being sentenced? You're a woman too. Don't you have a conscience? It takes two to tango. You didn't raise your daughter properly. If an intern's mistake causes company losses, then the intern should compensate.
Plaintiff's lawsuit dismissed. Claim dismissed. Claim dismissed.
During the month and a half I was away, this is how Chloe has been handling cases.
Dylan only handles lawsuits based on subjective judgment. Any case he couldn't handle, Chloe would step in to resolve. Many wrongful convictions have occurred during this period. Yet, Chloe's workability is exceptionally strong, and none of US can contend with her.
Chloe.
Ethan, what do you plan to do next?
I wanted to give her one last shred of dignity, but for Dylan, she did so many terrible things. Mom, you heard it too. She keeps making one mistake after another. I will make her pay the price.
Ethan, I can help you.
First, we must make the murderer pay the price they deserve.
I wondered why there were no calls for so long. Turns out there was no signal in the mountains just now. I thought this brat forgot all about his mother after getting married. Hello, Ethan.
Mom, something's happened back home. Can you come back?
What? You're saying on the day I left the country, my son's mother-in-law was stabbed to death? Alright. Hello, executive assistant. Book me the earliest flight immediately. I must make it before tomorrow's trial. Dylan. I wish you really were my brother.
Chloe, I don't just want to be your brother. Chloe, tomorrow is the second trial. How confident are you that you can win this lawsuit?
Don't worry, I'll definitely protect you. This lawsuit, there's no way we can lose.
What an ungrateful wretch. This law firm, back then, was founded with help from Ms. Jiang. Now that she thinks Ms. Jiang is gone, she turns around and fires you. Burning bridges. She certainly mastered that game.
It's fine. I'll get all of these things back eventually. Let's go.
Move. Ethan doesn't want to see you.
You dare call him Ethan. I knew. Your intentions were impure when you joined the firm.
Chloe.
Chloe, you've gone too far.
You hit me. You hit me for her. You must get to the court before the trial starts. Yes. Ethan, you hit me.
You forced my hand.
This is all evidence of you falsifying the identity of the body and unlawfully imprisoning my mother. I originally thought that if you withdrew the lawsuit against Dylan, I would destroy the evidence and let you off the hook. Now, it looks like you have a death wish.
You're the one asking for death. I've already placed the divorce agreement on the table. If you're unwilling to sign, then prepare to leave with nothing.
We'll see each other in court. Let's see if you can still smile then.
Why has Ethan become so distant? Why do I always have this bad feeling?
Chloe, I haven't been able to reach your mom for days. I thought she was sick. I was so worried. I never imagined that she was taken by that heartless son-in-law and locked away.
Celine was such a good person. She knew our family was struggling and always found ways to give us money to help out. You absolutely must win this lawsuit. Yes, if you don't win this lawsuit, you'll be letting down all the effort your mother put into raising you all these years. Aunt, I will definitely get justice for Mom. Madam, who might you be? I am Stella Jiang, Ethan's witness.
Ethan, ever since you married Chloe, Celine was so good to you. Didn't you know? How could you abuse her like this? You're utterly heartless.
Oh, Ethan, there's no hurdle a family can't overcome. Hurry and release Celine, and live a good life with Chloe. Ethan, this is duck soup I've been stewing all day. You work so hard. Drink some to replenish yourself.
Thanks, Mom.
Drinks.
In the 2 years after our marriage, my mother-in-law took meticulous care of me, even better than she treated Chloe. You all keep calling her Celine, but not a single one of you is willing to investigate the truth. You're all falling over yourselves here, currying favor with Chloe. Do you even know that the person standing next to her is my mother-in-law's killer?
Enough. You keep cursing my mother and slandering Dylan again and again. Today, I absolutely will not let you off easily.
Court is now in session.
Your Honor, I have additional evidence. Ethan's mother, Stella Jiang, sexually harassed my client. My client, being overly stressed, accidentally killed Stella, which falls under self-defense. Who said I was killed? Mom.
Stella, weren't you killed?
Who said I was killed?
But the documents Ms. Shaw provided explicitly stated your name. Attorney Gu's birth mother, Stella Jiang, died an unnatural death. Are we seeing a ghost?
Ethan's mother, Stella Jiang, sexually harassed my client. My client, being overly stressed, accidentally killed Stella, which falls under self-defense. Furthermore, the plaintiff, to manipulate the court, maliciously and unlawfully detained my mother, leading to her current, unknown fate.
Judge, you must arrest this heartless villain and put him away.
Exactly. Celine was so good to him, even saved his life. He's nothing but a monster. Arrest him. Arrest him. Arrest him. Arrest him.
Order. Order.
So, Ethan, you're so determined to divorce me. It seems you've already found someone else. In that case, I won't hold back either. Defendant, Your Honor, we maintain that our client is innocent. Furthermore, the plaintiff is suspected of unlawful detention, and we request the court to proceed with sentencing. Ethan, you can't beat me.
Is that so?
Who's cursing me? Mom. Mom, don't call me Mom. I only have Ethan as a son.
The dead have come back to life.
Wasn't she dead? You're not dead. What's the matter? I'm not dead. Are you disappointed? No, you're not dead. Then, whose body was that? This is my mom's birthmark. Mom's earlobe has the exact same mark. It really is Mom.
Case statement. The defendant, Dylan E., due to theft, after a conflict with the victim, Celine Su, at her doorstep, stabbed her with a knife, causing the death of the victim, Celine Su. Ms. Shaw, the death certificate is in the court documents. Did you not see it? The deceased is indeed your mother, Ms. Su.
Mom, why is this happening?
What? It wasn't Ethan's mother who was killed. It was Celine.
Isn't Chloe Shaw an ace attorney? How can she not even know who died, and is still defending a murderer, pleading him innocent?
Hurry, let's go. He's a murderer. Don't drag us into this.
Dylan, let me see the court documents.
Chloe, I've already reviewed everything for you. There are no other key points. As long as we stick to our prepared strategy, we'll definitely win this case. Chloe, do you still not trust me?
Alright, I have complete faith in Dylan. Dylan, the court documents have been with you all along. You kept them from me before the trial, so you knew everything, didn't you?
My ace attorney, Chloe, you only just realized this now.
Why? I treated you like my own brother. Why would you do this to me? That was my own mother. Why? That was my own mother. Why? That's my own mother.
Yes, that was your own mother. For my sake, you didn't even see your mother one last time. You even desecrated her body repeatedly. You even revealed the very scar she worked to protect for you. You did all of it, Chloe.
No, stop talking. No. Ethan, he killed Mom. He's the murderer. Please help me. I must send him to prison. Help me.
So now that you know it was your mother who died, you want to send him to prison? Weren't you going to defend Dylan and claim his innocence before?
Shut up, you worthless other woman. What gives you the right to provoke me here? This has nothing to do with you.
Chloe, haven't you made enough trouble? Chloe, haven't you made enough trouble? When my mother-in-law passed away, I told you again and again, begging you to come see your mom one last time, begging you not to desecrate your mother's body. But what about you? You only had Dylan in your heart. When did you ever take my words to heart?
Mom, please help me. Chloe, you married Ethan, and I used my connections to help you establish a law firm. I managed everything for you. It's one thing that you never thanked me, and then you mistakenly thought that I was the one Dylan killed. You actually helped a murderer, claim innocence, and now you come begging me. My mom was your savior. Are you just going to stand by and watch the murderer get away with it?
Chloe, if I wasn't doing this to get justice for my mother-in-law, would I be standing here today? Even if you didn't beg me today, I would still make the murderer pay. Not for you, but for my mother-in-law.
Order. Will the defense attorney please return to their seat? This court is now in session. Ha ha ha. Chloe. The trial is starting. Let's begin.
You're a beast. I will never defend you.
Look what this is.
You stole my files.
Ha, I have an ace attorney with Chloe's defense documents. Do you think I'm still afraid of losing this case? Your Honor, due to Ms. Shaw's critical error of failing to review the court documents, the client has entrusted me to temporarily act as his counsel for this hearing.
So you've been prepared for this day all along.
Let's begin.
No, don't. Please don't.
Your Honor, this is our supplementary evidence. It has already been submitted to the court. Chloe, the appeal hearing is tomorrow. How confident are you that we can win this case?
Don't worry, I will definitely protect you. There's no way we can lose this case. For cases like this, I've taught you before, as long as we get a valid psychiatric evaluation, certifying that at the time of the crime, your mental state was abnormal, we can use your mental illness as grounds to help you get acquitted.
So, as long as I have this report, even if I can't claim self-defense, we still have a chance to win. Your Honor, this is my client's psychiatric evaluation. This is enough to prove that my client was having a mental episode at the time of the incident and lacked criminal responsibility. Therefore, we argue that our client is innocent. It's indeed a certificate from a psychiatric hospital.
This is Chloe's usual tactic. Ethan, what should we do now?
Your Honor, we object. Even if the perpetrator has a mental disorder, how can it be proven that at the time of the incident, the perpetrator was in an abnormal mental state?
The defense may answer. We have additional evidence. On the evening of the crime, the defendant was taken by his attorney, Chloe, to a psychiatric hospital for a prescription after being bailed out. Here's the video. On the night of the incident, attorney Chloe took Dylan to a psychiatric hospital to get medication. We also have the prescription from that time. All of this indicates that my client was having a mental episode at the time of the incident.
No, that's not how it was. We just went to a nearby hospital to borrow alcohol to treat his wounds. We didn't.
Chloe, We're at the defendant's table right now. Are you sure you want to say something that you shouldn't be saying? Look, you should know what's inside here.
How do you have this? This is what I hid in the safe. How do you have this?
Why do you think I would kill your mother for no reason? It's all because of that damn bitch. She saw me take this.
What?
I stabbed her over 20 times, and she still clung to my pants leg, saying, "This is Chloe's," not letting me take it. The tragic heart of a mother.
Mom.
This records all the illicit money you've received over the years, and evidence of you committing perjury. If you dare say one more word in court today, all this will be on the headlines tomorrow. Then, not only will you lose your loved ones, but even the law firm you're so proud of will collapse.
You.
Not only that, I also know about a brother you killed.
So, you deliberately approached me. You said you had a deceased older sister who looked a lot like me. You wanted to work at my law firm. All of it was a lie. All of this was for today.
Ha 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 ha. My dear Chloe, you're not entirely stupid, are you? Since things have come to this point, why don't you just help me out one last time? Chloe, that night, did you accompany me to the psychiatric hospital to get medication?
Yes.
Chloe Shaw. Chloe, you keep saying you want to avenge Mom, but you're still helping this murderer. Have you no conscience?
The court will now announce its verdict.
Wait a minute.
As long as I win this lawsuit, not only will I be acquitted, but I'll also truly control the law firm and reach the pinnacle of my life. The air is thick with the scent of victory. Ha ha ha. The court will now announce its verdict.
Wait a minute.
Ethan, all the evidence is right here. What else do you have to say?
You are absolutely shameless. Who knows where you got all this evidence?
Where did it come from? Of course, my excellent lawyer obtained it through legal and proper channels. You dare question the legality of the evidence, then present your own evidence.
Evidence?
Don't waste your breath on them. They're just a bunch of scumbags, Your Honor. We also have additional evidence.
Mr. Gu, I know you want to avenge your mother-in-law, but her own daughter hasn't said anything. What right do you have to make a spectacle of yourself here? Don't tell me you, a stay-at-home husband, still think you can overturn the verdict?
Your Honor, this is evidence that Dylan He and his lawyer forged the paperwork for his insanity defense.
Impossible. I made sure it was foolproof. How could it be discovered? Ethan, this is a court of law, not a place for you to spout nonsense.
Am I just making things up? Just watch and see. Your Honor, we have collected some surveillance footage. That corresponds to the evidence presented by the defense. Please look at the big screen.
Attorney He, what do you mean by this?
This is a deal that can't lose money. What do you think?
Deal. Ethan, I knew it. I knew you'd find a way.
How could he have surveillance footage? Chloe said she already had someone delete the video. This video is fake. It must be fake. Your Honor, we object to the authenticity of this video. We have reason to suspect this video is AI generated. Overruled. Why? The data shows that this surveillance footage was provided by the police after inspection. There's no possibility of forgery. I object. Did you take their money and intend to wrongfully convict me here? This insanity defense claim was Chloe's last resort. If this doesn't work, I'm going to jail. No, I absolutely cannot end up like this. Why does he have this video? Didn't you say it was foolproof?
This is your karma. Ha 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 ha.
The court sentences Dylan He for intentional homicide, resulting in the death of the victim, Celine Su, who died despite resuscitation attempts, and for desecration of the victim's body. He is sentenced to life imprisonment. Life imprisonment. The case is concluded. Court adjourned. You can't rule this way. I'm innocent. Let me go. If that old hag hadn't stopped me, I wouldn't have killed her. She brought it upon herself.
You're a beast. If it weren't for you, I wouldn't have harmed my mother's body. It's all your fault. Now you're getting what you deserve. You should rot in prison.
Hey, why are you still assaulting people in court?
Everything she's getting, she brought upon herself.
Didn't you say your method could get me acquitted? How am I still sentenced to life imprisonment? You need to find another way for me. My life has just begun. I can't go to prison.
Mom. Celine. You were a good person. In your next life, I hope you don't have a daughter like Chloe again.
It's all right. Miss Su, in your next life, you will surely be happy.
Let's go. Ethan, I was wrong about what happened. Please give me a chance, okay?
Chloe Shaw, whatever affection we had is long gone. I hope the next time I see you, It's at the courthouse to finalize our divorce.
Mom. Shut up. I don't have a disgraceful daughter like you. From now on, our paths diverge. We'll have nothing more to do with each other. No. I've worked so hard to reach this position today, to climb up to the Gu family. I will absolutely not give up.
Thank you, Ethan.
For having your family help restore the surveillance footage. I'm the one who should be thanking you.
Why are we being so formal with each other?
You shouldn't say that. After I finish my work, would you have a dinner with me?
All right, I'll be waiting.
I've done what I promised you. It's all done. Now it's your turn to keep your word.
I can't believe Miss Mu would make such a great sacrifice for you this time.
Mom, what do you mean?
Don't you know? The Mu family has always arranged strategic marriages for Mia. Before, she always refused to escape the family. She came to work at the law firm and lived on her own. I never expected that she would use her family's connections to help you. And now Mr. Mu is forcing her to accept a strategic marriage.
What?
I've already had someone restore the surveillance footage for you. I've done what I promised you. It's all done. Now it's your turn to keep yours.
I will agree to the strategic marriage for the family.
Ethan, you read this book too? I do too.
Our Ethan is still as popular as ever. Oh, I don't know what our Ethan is thinking. Not wanting to be a wealthy heir, always hiding his identity, and not liking wealthy heiresses. He just likes ordinary girls.
Ethan, for you, from the day I graduated, I began to flee my family and join your law firm, wanting to live the life of a normal girl. But I never expected you were already married. I thought this incident was my chance, but I still can't escape my family's control. It seems that, in the end, we were destined not to be together.
Weren't you supposed to be in jail? How did you escape? Why did you call me here? What do you want? Why did you call me here? What do you want?
Chloe, I was sentenced to life imprisonment because of your mother. If it weren't for that old hack getting in my way, the law firm would be mine. By now, Chloe Shaw, you must find a way to get my sentence reduced. Otherwise, I'll expose all your shady dealings over the years to the reporters. Even if I go to prison, I'll drag you down with me.
No, you can't. No.
I only have 1 week. If you can't figure out a way to get my sentence reduced by then, just wait to be utterly disgraced.
Ethan. The invitation from the Mu family has arrived. The matchmaking banquet is the day after tomorrow. All the prominent wealthy families will be there.
Isn't this treating Mia like a commodity? For selection, it's so disrespectful.
All the prominent wealthy families do this to protect their family interests. This is why I didn't stop you from refusing to take on family responsibilities and hiding your identity as the heir after your father passed. Since you enjoy the privileges of an heir, you must pay the price. That price is marriage. Now there's only one way to save Mia.
What way?
You must finalize your divorce and enter a strategic marriage with the Mu family in the Gu family's name.
What? Mom, this...
Miss Jiang, Mr. Gu, Mrs. Gu is outside. She's insisting on seeing you. She says it's about the divorce. She just won't leave us alone. Let her in. Yes. You want a divorce? All right. But you have to agree to 2 things.
Tell me.
Sign a letter of forgiveness for me. You want a divorce? Fine, but you have to promise me 2 things.
As long as it's not too much, for your mother's sake. Speak.
Sign this letter of forgiveness for me.
Forgiveness? After all this, you're still signing a letter of forgiveness for your mother's killer? Are you insane? Get out. You're not welcome here.
Dylan has leverage on me. Mom is already dead. I can't ruin my future for a dead person.
Guards, take her away. Don't let her in without my permission.
Miss Shaw, please leave. Ethan Gu, don't think I don't know. If you want to save Mia, you'll have to divorce me. The matchmaking banquet is the day after tomorrow. If you don't agree to my terms, I'll never agree to a divorce. We'll see what you do then. Ethan. Let go of me.
Thank you all for coming to my daughter Mia Moo's matchmaking banquet. Today's guests are all from prominent wealthy families. Please enjoy yourselves. Ha ha. Miss Moo, you're alone. Why not? Have a drink?
Excuse me. I don't drink.
Stop pretending.
Let go of me.
Your dad organized this damn banquet just to find someone powerful to sell you off to. Let me tell you, I'm the only son of Riverton's richest man. I have plenty of resources to buy you. Once I take you home as my wife, we'll see how you can act all high and mighty in front of me. Drink it. Come on. Everyone, please continue to enjoy yourselves. I'll go handle something. Mr. Moo. My son doesn't quite understand etiquette. Please forgive him. It's fine. Since my son likes Miss Moo so much, then I'm willing to offer 15% of our family business's shares as a betrothal gift for Miss Moo. What do you say? That can be discussed.
This is utter nonsense. This is absurd.
Hey, if you step up now, it means you'll marry her. Have you thought clearly about your own marital status?
Mom, if I let this go, I'll be pushing Mia into a fire. No matter what. I can't just stand by.
Hello. What? Chloe Shaw brought in reporters, exposing Ethan Gu's affair and causing the stock to plummet.
Let go.
Who the hell are you? How dare you meddle in my business?
I'm making it my business.
Sir, butler, who is this? Sir, this is... I don't recognize this young man. Did he sneak in from the kitchen? Should I have him thrown out? You hit someone and just want to leave? There's no such logic in the world.
Ethan, what are you doing here?
If I didn't come, your father would have already sold you off.
Where did this little animal come from? How dare he hit my son? Dad, he hit me. Look at my face. Oh no, son. Oh, that must hurt. Dad will get revenge for you right now. A good-for-nothing, worthless bum dares to hit my son. Security. Drag him out. Beat him and throw him out.
What do you think you're doing?
No.
Mr. Su, if you hurt my daughter, don't worry. The 15% I promised you won't be a cent less.
The top wealthy Gu family has been exposed by insiders. The Gu family's heir, Mr. Gu, had an affair, causing the Gu Corporation stock to hit the limit down. Ethan Gu, today, whether for the company or for Mia, you have to give me the letter of forgiveness. This Chloe. It seems the Gu family has been too quiet for too long. Any Tom, Dick, or Harry dares to mess with us.
This is the price for hitting me.
Stop. I'd like to see who dares to touch my son. I'd like to see who dares to touch him.
Who are you, you stinking hag? How dare you meddle in my business? Idiot, this is the reclusive powerhouse Gu family, and its current CEO, Ms. Jian, the head of the Gu Corporation. She's a force that can make an entire business empire tremble with just a snap of her fingers.
I heard that ever since Mr. Gu passed away, Ms. Jiang took over the company, ruthless and decisive. Anyone who had ever offended the Gu Corporation before has vanished without a trace.
It seems our richest man is in for a rough time. She is Ms. Jian. Then he must be the Gu Corporation's low-profile heir apparent, who never shows his face. Ms. Jian, we didn't know he was Mr. Gu. If we had known, even if we have 100 guts, we wouldn't dare. Ms. Jian, we know we were wrong. Please, just give us one chance.
Ethan, since you're willing to return to the family and inherit the family business, I'll let you handle this matter.
Mr. Gu, please spare us this one time.
Guards, take them away. The Su family has declared bankruptcy.
Mr. Gu, please spare us this time. Since Mr. Gu is standing up for Mia, he must intend to marry her. How much is the Gu family willing to offer?
Mr. Mu, you jest. Mr. Gu is still a married man. Ethan still has a family now. How can he marry the other woman? Right, honey?
The other woman? Could it be that Miss Moo is becoming Mr. Gu's other woman?
Oh my goodness, doesn't that mean no prominent wealthy family will marry Miss Moo, except for Mr. Gu?
Shameless. If the Gu family doesn't marry you, I'll send you abroad to serve those clients overseas.
Mr. Mu is still sensible. The other woman deserves such a fate.
Shut up.
Sign the letter of forgiveness for me right now, and give me a 5% stake in the Gu Corporation. Then I'll agree to the divorce immediately. Otherwise, just wait for the Gu family stock to plummet and Mia Mu to be abandoned by her family.
Okay, I promise you, everyone, my ex-wife Chloe Shaw and I, are currently in the process of divorce, so there is no affairs concerning any of us. I hope everything that happened today won't get out.
Ethan. I'm sorry, I caused you trouble.
What are you talking about? If you hadn't helped me gather evidence, I wouldn't have been able to send a murderer to jail so quickly. You've done so much for me.
Ethan, I know, you did this not to owe me a favor. We can sign a prenup. I promise not to interfere with your life after marriage. As long as you don't bring other women home.
What are you talking about? Since I chose to marry you, I definitely won't mistreat you. Everyone, get out of the way. Get lost.
My Ethan is back.
The letter of forgiveness between Ethan and me is all here. And I went to the countryside and found a man looks almost same to you to take the fall. As long as the appeal passes, let him take your place in prison. Then you'll be free.
Haha. Chloe, I knew you'd find a way. Haha. My good days are finally here.
Dylan, you've gone to such lengths to do all of this. What is it all for?
Why? Because all you lawyers deserve to die.
Mom will make your favorite pot roast tomorrow night, okay?
Okay. Mom. It takes two to tango. You still want to sue me? Dream on. Haha. Mom. Mom, if you don't let me have a good life, I definitely won't let you have one either.
Ethan. If it weren't for this, would we still be together and happy?
Haha, Ethan, long time no see.
How are you here?
Haha, Ethan, long time no see.
Why are you here?
It's Chloe, of course. She can't bear to see me go to jail, so she helped me out. The murderer, Mr. He, has already served his sentence.
You have someone take your fall. Chloe, you made a mockery of your law degree, don't you know? This is illegal.
Ethan, what are you talking about? Someone else committed the murder. What does it have to do with me? I've come this time to give you a big gift. In a week, it's Chloe's and my wedding. I hope you will honor us with your presence.
Chloe, your mother isn't even cold in her grave. How can you marry her killer?
Don't touch my wife.
Chloe.
I didn't expect Chloe would do something like this. Letting Ethan marry her back then was the only time in my life I misjudged.
Ethan, what should we do now?
No matter what, we can't let Celine's killer get away with it.
So, this wedding, are we still going or not?
Yes, we absolutely must go.
Veritas Law is already ranked first in the industry. Now, top entrepreneurs everywhere are scrambling to choose their law firm.
Indeed, our bride and groom are truly young and promising.
Exactly. Chloe, in the future, we can manage the law firm together. Let's make the firm achieve new heights.
What's going on?
They're buying people to take the fall. Their original identities naturally can't be used. This is edited, of course.
Welcome, Ethan. Look, everything around you was prepared for me by your woman, using your money. How is it? Not bad, right?
Well, congratulations then.
You treat your mother's killer so well. I wonder if in the afterlife, your mom can even rest in peace.
What did you say?
We're not here to fight. Since it's a wedding, our Gu family have to prepare a gift.
A gift? Ethan, you're too kind. Appearance and identity information have been changed. I personally supervised Chloe to erase all evidence of the switch. Ethan, what can you possibly do to me now?
I know you destroyed all the evidence, but do you know that you weren't the only one who had evidence against Chloe? Mom, what's wrong?
Ethan, can you please help me see what this is? Chloe seems very careful with it, but I always feel like something's wrong.
Okay, I'll take a look. Mom, take a look.
Chloe. How could she do these? These are all illegal activities. Ethan, Chloe must have been bewitched. She wasn't like this before.
Mom.
Ethan, I know your family is powerful. If one day she does something unforgivable, I beg you, for my sake. Whether you let her go abroad or send her to prison for rehabilitation, just save her life from her enemies.
Mom, please get up first.
After all, she's my only daughter. How do you have this?
Chloe, out of respect for your mother, I was going to let you live, but you dug your own grave.
What? So, last year's murder case was a miscarriage of justice, so it was this Chloe here, manipulating the truth behind the scenes.
Not only that, but in that domestic violence case half a year ago, she also argued for the male defendant's innocence. I heard that woman was eventually beaten to death.
I never expected that Veritas Law, so outwardly glamorous, would engage in such dirty tricks behind the scene. It's utterly depraved.
Don't look.
Don't look. Get out, all of you.
These pieces of evidence have already been given to the journalists. They should be published by now.
Ethan, what exactly do you want?
You think just because you destroyed all evidence of changing identities, I can't touch you? Since you care so much about that law firm, I'll find leverage on the firm and still send you to prison. As far as I know, Chloe has already transferred the legal representation of this law firm to you, right? As far as I know, Chloe has already transferred the legal representation of this law firm to you, right?
Chloe did so many bad things for you. Now it's only fair that you take the fall for her.
It's the weapon used to murder Celine.
Ethan, go to hell.
Someone grab him. No wonder the police couldn't find evidence. So you hid the murder weapon. No, I can send you to prison, right? And you, Chloe, you broke the law. Not only failing to uphold justice, but also colluding with your mother's killer. Then go to prison with him.
No. Ethan, you can't do this to me.
Chloe, you brought this upon yourself.
I brought this upon myself. Ha ha ha. I brought this upon myself. Why wasn't it your mom who died? Why?
Chloe, since we got married, my mom has been good enough to you, right? Why are you still talking about her like that?
Ha ha ha. She was good to me. Your mother looked down on me from the bottom of her heart. If it weren't for trying to gain her approval and make a name for myself, how could I have taken such a desperate risk and done such a thing? It's all because of her. It's all because of her. Otherwise, I wouldn't have become this way.
You say she looked down on you? During her busiest time, she personally handled our wedding preparations. She knew you wanted to open a law firm. She personally used the Gu family's connections to find someone to litigate for you. Even when shopping normally, she would buy something for your mom. You say she looked down on you?
It's all because of her. It's she who looked down on me. It's all because she looked down on me. It's all because of her.
Ms. Chloe Shaw and Mr. Dylan, someone has reported your Veritas Law for illegal activities. Please come with us.
Ah, no, let go of me.
Let go of me.
Dylan He, legal representative of Veritas Law, and lawyer Chloe Shaw, suspected of multiple crimes, have been sentenced to death and life imprisonment. It is reported that Veritas Law was involved in up to 70% of Riverton's cases. You've made your bed, now lie in it. Come, Mia. I have a small gift for you. Take it. From today onwards, our family will live well.